Hello and welcome. I'm Bradley Owen, Field Applications Engineer here at Kinder Australia. In today's video, we'll be going over the K Protector return roller guards. Let's take a closer look. The K Protector return roller guard is a safe and practical solution to provide roller nip point protection. K Protector has been engineered to comply with AS NZS 4024 and is suitable for use with steel or self-cleaning rollers. Disassembly of the guard is simple, allowing quick access for routine inspections and roller changeout. Adjustable return roller brackets allow height adjustment of the return roller to ensure compliance with the Australian Standard. Polymer leading and trailing edges provide wear protection to the conveyor belt if contact occurs. Thank you for watching today's video. For more information, please contact us at Kinder Australia.